Welcome to Money Masters, your go-to destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom. Hi, I'm Eileen, your host for today's episode. I've spent years mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. Today's video will talk about minimalist budgeting. Manage money with ease. Imagine a life where every penny has a purpose and tranquility. Replaces financial stress. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious and purposeful decisions with your money. Guess what? It's simpler than you think. Welcome to the world of minimalist budgeting, where simplicity is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. But before we dive into our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our expert advice and money saving tips. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to become a money master? Let's go!
Minimalist budgeting appears to be a hypothetical or non-widely recognized term as of my last training data in September 2022. However, let's explore some general thoughts around the concept of budgeting and managing money with ease, which might be analogous to what minimalist budgeting could entail if it were a specific approach. General principles of easy money management. Understand your finances. 1. Income. Know your total income, including all sources. 2. Expenses. Identify and categorize your monthly and annual expenses. Create a budget. 1. Needs versus wants. Differentiate between essential and discretionary spending. 2. Allocations. Assign every dollar a job, ensuring that needs, savings, and wants are all considered. Build an emergency fund. 1. Save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to cushion against financial hardships. Automate savings. 1. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investment accounts, or retirement funds. Use technology. 1. Utilize budgeting apps and tools to track, manage, and analyze your finances. Debt management. 1. Prioritize paying down high-interest debts. 2. Implement strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. Review and adjust. 1. Regularly review your budget, adjust as needed, and ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Invest wisely. 1. Explore and understand various investment vehicles. 2. Balance your investment portfolio according to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Set financial goals. 1. Determine short-term and long-term financial objectives. 2. Create strategies and timelines to achieve these goals. Educate yourself. Continually learn about financial management, investment strategies, and the economy. Adapting to minimalist budgeting. If we imagine minimalist entails a minimalist approach to budgeting, consider the following adjustments. 1. Simplify. Focus on reducing the number of categories in your budget and streamline where possible. 2. Prioritize essentials. Allocate resources predominantly to needs, then savings, minimizing discretionary spending. 3. Emphasize quality. When purchasing, prioritize items that may have a higher upfront cost but provide better value over time. 4. Limit non-essentials. Be mindful and intentional about minimizing non-essential purchases. 5. Embrace frugality. Seek alternatives like DIY solutions, buying used items, or exploring free resources and entertainment. In conclusion, a potential minimalist budgeting approach might focus on simplicity, intentionally, and prioritizing essentials, while still aligning with standard financial management principles. A structured, well-thought-out plan can indeed assist individuals in managing money with ease and achieving their financial goals. Smart shopping. 1. Coupons and discounts. Leverage deals, offers, and cashback to save on purchases. 2. Comparison. Evaluate different products and choose ones that offer the best value. Avoid impulse buying. 1. Wish lists. Create a list of desired items and wait a set period before purchasing to avoid impulse buys. 2. Mindful spending. Evaluate every purchase to ensure it's truly necessary and aligns with your goals. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. 1. Retirement savings. Maximize contributions to 401ks, IRAs, or similar retirement accounts. 2. Health savings accounts, HSAs/flexible spending accounts, FSAs. Utilize these for medical expenses. Optimize utility expenses. 1. Energy efficiency. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and practices to reduce utility bills. 2. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review and eliminate unused or non-essential service subscriptions. Enhance income. 1. Side hustles. Explore additional income streams, such as freelancing or part-time jobs. 2. Invest in yourself. Enhance your skills and knowledge to pursue higher-paying opportunities. Charitable giving. 1. Plan philanthropy. Include charitable donations in your budget in a structured and consistent manner. 2. Volunteering. Offer your time and skills to causes, supplementing monetary donations. Insurance planning. 1. Adequate coverage. Ensure that you have sufficient insurance coverage, health, life, property, to protect against unforeseen circumstances. 2. Review policies. Periodically assess your insurance needs and adjust policies accordingly. Establish a support network. 1. Financial advisor. Consider consulting a professional for tailored advice and strategies. 2. Peer support. Engage in or form groups to share knowledge, experiences, and encouragement in financial management. Legal and estate planning. 1. Wills and trusts. Ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes by establishing a clear estate plan. 2. Power of attorney. Arrange for financial decision-making in instances of incapacity. Healthy financial habits. 1. Regular checkups. Frequently review your financial health, including credit score, debt levels, and net worth. 2. Consistent savings. Regardless of the amount, ensure that a portion of your income is saved consistently. Applying minimalist principles further. 1. Mindful consumption. Be conscious of every expense and consider its impact on your budget and overall financial health. 2. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a role to prevent unintentional, impulsive, or wasteful spending. 3. Minimal lifestyle. Adopt a lifestyle that embraces fewer possessions and prioritizes experiences and well-being over material goods. 4. Environmentally conscious spending. Make purchasing choices that are not only financially savvy but also environmentally responsible. 5. Socially responsible investing. Align your investment choices with ethical and socially responsible practices. In light of both general and minimalistic, minimalist budgeting, creating a financial plan that's straightforward, practical, and in alignment with one's values and objectives is key to managing money effectively. Combining widely recognized financial practices with a minimalist approach could yield a robust strategy that ensures financial stability while also aligning with a simpler, more intentional lifestyle. Understanding your income. 1. Total income. Know all your sources of income, whether from a salaried job, freelance work, investments, or any other avenues. 2. After-tax income. Be aware of your net income, i.e., the amount you actually take home after taxes and other deductions. Categorizing and managing expenses. 1. Fixed expenses. Identify costs that are constant, like mortgage or rent, insurance, and subscription services. 2. Variable expenses. Determine costs that fluctuate, such as utilities, groceries, and entertainment. 3. Periodic expenses. Be mindful of expenses that aren't monthly but occur regularly, such as quarterly taxes or annual insurance premiums.
Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of finance and the secret of the money masters. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. If you want to dive deeper into the world of financial mastery and take control of your own financial future, remember to subscribe our channel here. And you can find more informative videos here. Thank you again for watching. Remember, financial mastery is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, I'm Eileen, signing off, wishing you financial success and prosperity. See you in the next video!